Twists are really an important part of the yoga asana practice, and you can do them right on your chair. So here's a really simple one just to show you. Take your left hand, put it on the outside of your right knee, your right hand on the back of your chair. Inhale and reach the crown of the head up. Exhale and twist to the back. With each inhale, reach up higher. With each exhale, twist further back. Hold it like this for 15 seconds and then release. Turn to do the other side. So hand on the outside of the knee, the other hand on the back of the chair. On the inhale, reach up through the crown of your head. Exhale, twist to the back. Inhaling and exhaling, and hold. And the brilliant thing about twists is that it massages your internal organs, giving them all a little squeeze like a sponge, so that when you stop, new blood, fresh blood and energy flows back into them.